To realize its vision of AI for all, making AI applications accessible for everyone, Rakuten has been developing Japanese large language models, of which the latest version, Rakuten AI 2.0, was released to the open source community in February 2025. An LLM is a machine learning model that can understand and generate human language. It understands language by breaking sentences down into tokens, which could be words, characters, or symbols. The size of an LLM is measured in terms of parameters, or learned variables, which can reach into the billions or even trillions. While there are many high-performing LLMs for languages like English already, the quality of openly available Japanese language models has been relatively low until recently. Enter Rakuten, which released its first Japanese LLM in spring 2024, achieving top performance among open Japanese LLMs. It made use of Rakuten's vast resource of Japanese language data and a special algorithm to realize a more efficient way of tokenizing Japanese sentences. Rakuten's Chief AI and Data Officer Ting Tsai announced details of Rakuten's next generation of LLM models in December 2024.
First is a mixture expert model that is 8 times more powerful than Rakuten AI 7 billion, but only 2.5x the cost of operating. So it's, for us, it's all about efficiency. It's not about chasing the largest language model with the trillions of parameters. We wanted to pass the benefit of cost savings and efficiency to our customer and business partners. And second, we also want to announce Rakuten AI Mini, which is a 1.5 billion model. It enables us to leverage AI in a new set of scenarios that require very low cost, require low latency, and require privacy-conscious applications.
Imagine you have a specific health problem, such as with your eyes or your heart. Rather than going to a general practitioner first, it's much more efficient in terms of both cost and time to see a specialist directly. In a similar way, compared to conventional LLMs, which update all parameters at once, making them more costly and slower to operate, Rakuten's Mixture of Experts LLM is comprised of 8 models with 7 billion parameters, each of which is specialized in different kinds of inputs. When interacting with the model, it dynamically selects the 2 most relevant experts for each input token, optimizing efficiency while boosting capacity. This has helped to further raise Rakuten's Japanese LLM performance to a best-in-class level. LLM development is typically broken down into 2 stages: pre-training and fine-tuning. We spoke to members of the development team about the process behind realizing the latest LLM.
So at the pre-training stage, we basically train a model how to read books. Right? We feed a model a lot of texts, and we ask, okay, what is the next probable token? The token might be some word or some character, and we repeat this process many, many times. If the model makes a wrong prediction, we penalize the model. If the model makes a correct prediction, we reward it. And so through this simple task, model learns to perform complicated actions, right? Start reasoning and solving very realistic problems.
Fine-tuning is more about specializing. It's making the kids use those reading skills to answer questions like comprehension questions, write the essays, or summarize the given context. So it's more about specializing the model. And once this specialization is done, we also evaluate the models on different capabilities like natural language understanding, natural language generation, or reasoning or coding. So our prime motivation to make these models openly available is to give back to the open research community. And we also want the development to be accelerated in open source. Moreover, the newer models from small language models to mixture of experts model, this will enable applications not only for edge devices where there is a compute constraint, but also high-performing devices where compute is not a constraint.
So the team is very diverse. We are scattered around the world. Of course, we have a lot of people supporting us, including infrastructure team, annotators, project managers, and so on. It's super excited to collaborate with people around the world to build something open at the frontier of the technology, right? And to offer people in an open package the model that they can realize benefits of. That's a pretty exciting thing.